Jen's Magical Tales. The Little Blue Bird. Once upon a time, in a lush green forest, there lived a little blue bird named Bella. She loved to sing and fly high in the sky. One sunny morning, Bella noticed a sad bunny named Benny sitting alone under a tree. She flew down to him and asked,
"Why you look so sad, Benny?"
"I lost my way home, and I can't find my family."
Bella felt sorry for Benny and decided to help him.
"Let me help you find them."
Thank you, Bella.
Bella and Benny began their journey through the forest.
Hello, Squirrel. Have you seen my family around here?
I'm sorry, I haven't seen them. You should check with Owl. He might know more.
Thank you, Squirrel. Hello, Owl. Have you seen his family around here?
Yes, I saw them heading towards the meadow.
Bella and Benny thanked the owl and quickly made their way to the meadow, hoping that they would find Benny's family soon. They reached the meadow just as the dawn is breaking.
I don't see them, Bella. What if we can't find them?
Don't worry, Benny. Let's keep looking. They must be here somewhere. Look, Benny! Over there, by the big oak tree. Do you see those bunnies?
Yes, that's my family.
Benny and Bella hurried across the meadow towards the group of bunnies. Benny's heart raced with joy as he got closer. Benny finally reunited with his family. They hug him tightly, grateful to have him back. From that day on, Bella and Benny became best friends. They spent their days exploring the forest and helping other animals in need. The end.